Good afternoon, this is Jan in Antwerpen, Belgium, looking for food as always. Here I got steak tartare, which is basically ground beef with some sauces, mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, pickles, a little bit of salad, and rice. Let's try this. Yeah, by the way, this is raw beef. Now that has got flavor. This is a typical Belgian dish, invented by a French chef, if I'm correct. We wanted to make raw beef with some Russian ingredients. That's what I read. That is pretty mustard. And some fries. Pickled onion also. Red onion. The salad are also capers. I'm a big fan of capers. Then my beer. This is koning, bolk, as they call it around here in Antwerpen. It's kind of an ale, Belgian pale ale. It's nice. I like this beer. A long time fan. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, enjoying the food like I do.